check out this kitchen. Boom, is that your white shaker cabinet? Are these your white quartz countertops? No, this new color scheme that we did looks killer. The backsplash. It's not just your white subway, it's textured and has color variation, right? We got the waterfall edge. Beautiful flooring, upgraded, longer, wider. This house turned out fantastic. I love this kitchen. I can't wait to do more. This house turned out great. We did epoxy outside, brand new hot water heater, right? Look at this giant glass, brand new slider. So much light in this kitchen. Giant dining, right? We got it staged right now. But can you imagine someone putting a giant table here? That would be gorgeous, right? Walls, like I said, gone. So you got the full pass-through coming through. Here's your living space, new window. Gorgeous, so bright, right? This was dark and dingy, if you remember. This is so much better. All right, come see the rest. Obviously, we changed out doors, right? They all look different. They all have this paneling on it. Makes a massive difference. Every bedroom basically looks like this, right? But you got your clean fan and your flooring. But you guys want to see the bathrooms, right? So I won't walk you in there, but take a peek. Gorgeous, look at that tile. Woo! All right, let's show you the primary, okay? I want you to see in the primary, right? I mean, on our way, you got this beautiful slider, but check out the flooring as we walk in. I want you to see how big it is, right? You got matching flooring on the bottom and in the shower bottom, so it all looks like the same. And the bathroom looks so much bigger. Jeez, with matching cabinets and matching countertops, just like the kitchen. We just had some friends come and we showed them this bathroom. They're like, this is like a spa. All right, obviously, we kind of skipped through the primary bedroom, but look at this space. This bedroom, if you remember, was so long. They had a tiny, tiny closet all the way against the wall. We have added this wall, and now you have a full walk-in closet. Right? Builders didn't think this way before. Right? This place, absolutely stunning. Plenty of light coming in where you got your visual to the pool. Gorgeous. Let's just take a quick step out there so you can actually see how that turned out. Beautiful backyard. Let's just start off actually over here. We just threw in this RV gate. There was already concrete in the front. It just made sense. The new buyer, which this house is already under contract, is absolutely gonna love having that. We put a bunch of new gravel in, artificial grass, no maintenance. The only thing you have to do, and you can already see, the weeds come in pretty quick. We'll have a crew out here probably about 2 days to take care of that. And then the stunning pool. It is 110 degrees here. I just wanna jump in. If I didn't have to go to a meetup right after this, I would be jumping in the pool. Who wouldn't want to live here? This place is amazing. Guys, thanks for hanging out with me. Thanks for seeing the after on our latest flip. If you like this video, click like and subscribe so you can see many more of the videos. We do before and afters of house flips. We do podcasting. We talk everything real estate, the ins and the outs. So until the next video, see ya.